Well, hello, friends. Today we'll be making Belizean stewed pumpkin, and then we'll make brown sugar balsamic pumpkin seeds, and you'll join me for a quiet evening at home. Growing up in Belize, stewed pumpkin was such a special treat. And even though I now live in the United States, each year at this season, I always make this. First step I usually do is to melt down the brown sugar and butter. And now it's time to add the spices. I add cloves, allspice, a pinch of nutmeg, about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and some salt. Simmer for about 2 hours on low heat. I really prefer this over pumpkin pie. My sweet friend. We start with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, then add about a half to 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt. Bake at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes while making sure you turn the pumpkin seeds at about 4 to 5 minutes into the baking process. Relaxation is always a wonderful thing, especially since the temperature is dropping this evening to about 45 degrees. In peace I will both lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, have me dwell in safety. Psalm 4:8. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and remember to ring the bell so that you may be notified when I upload a new video. Either way, you are welcome here always. God bless.